Good morning, friends. Welcome to the session. In today's session, we will solve multiple optimal solution problem using graphical method. The earlier question which we had solved have only unique solutions. Okay. So let us read the question first. A company manufactured two models of a product, model A and B. Amount of labors required to fabricate model A and B are 1 and 2 respectively. The quantity of model B fabricated should be less than or equal to the quantity of model A fabricated plus 2. The maximum quantity of model A that can be fabricated is 6. The maximum amount of labors available is 8. Company gets profit of 1 rupee and 2 rupee after selling model A and B respectively. The company wishes to maximize its profit. Okay. So first we will develop the model equation for the problem. Then we will solve the problem using graphical method. Okay. So let us first develop the model equation, which first include the objective function. Considering QA is quantity of model A fabricated and QB is quantity of model B fabricated. So the objective function Z can be written as QA plus the quantity of QB. So we are obtaining 1 rupee for model A and 2 rupee for model B. So we will multiply here by 1, which will be 1. So here we will multiply by 2. So this is our objective function. Okay. Now we will develop the constraints equations. The first condition which is given is the amount of labors required to fabricate model A and B are 1 and 2 respectively. So we need 1 labor for model A plus 2 labor for model B. Now the maximum amount of labor available is 8, which is given here. Okay, so it should be less than or equal to 8. So this is our equation 1. Now the second condition which is given is the quantity of model B fabricated should be less than or equal to the quantity of model A fabricated plus 2. That means QB should be less than or equal to quantity of model A fabricated plus 2, which can also be written as QB minus QA less than equal to 2. Okay, so this is our equation 2. Now the next condition which is given is the maximum quantity of model A that can be fabricated is 6. So QA should be less than or equal to 6. Okay, this is equation 3. So these three are this, this and this are constant equation. Okay. Now we will solve these equations using graphical method. So instead of writing the objective function, let me copy this using Control C and paste it here. Okay, so this is our objective function, and I will also copy and paste the objective function which we have developed. Control C, Control V. Okay, I will minimize it. So this is R 0.0. So the first equation is QA plus 2QB equal to 8. So if I put QA equal to 0, 1 multiplied by 0 plus 2QB equal to 8, I will get QB equal to 4. Okay. Considering QA in this direction and QB in this direction. So when QA is equal to 0, that means this axis QB is 4. So let me, this point is 0 comma 4. Okay. And when QB is equal to 0, QA is equal to 8. Okay. This point is 8 comma 0. Okay. So let me draw the straight line. Okay. So this line is QA plus 2QB less than equal to A. Notice that we have to go downward because the condition is less than. Okay. Now we will solve the second equation. This QB minus QA equal to 2. When QA is equal to 0, QB minus 0 equal to 2. QB is 2. This point will be 0 comma 2. Okay. And when QB is equal to 0, we will have, which will give QA equal to minus 2. Okay. So minus 2 will be somewhere here. So this will be the point. The line will go like this. This equation is QB minus QA is equal to 2. So we have drawn this equation, we have drawn this equation. Now we have this equation to draw. This equation says that QA should be less than equal to 6. So 6 is somewhere here. So we will draw a straight vertical line passing through this point. This line is QA less than equal to 6. Okay. So the area under this line is this. Area under this line is this. And the area under this line is this. So we have a common area covering all these three lines, and this common area is this. We have 5 points. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, point number 4, and point number 5. Okay. Out of these 5 points, we already know 3 points, which are P2, which is 0 comma 2. We already know P3, which is 0 comma 0. We already know P4, which is 6 comma 0. Now P5. On this point, QA is equal to 6 and this line is this line. So if I put 6 in this line, I will get 2QB equal to 2, which will give QB equal to 1. So here I will get 6 comma 1. Now I left with P1. So this line is this and this line is this. So if I solve these two equations, I will get 4 by 3 comma 10 by 3. you can solve and check these values. Okay, now we will put these 5 values on this equation and we will check the profit. So the point which will give the maximum value will give us the maximum profit. Okay, so let me just copy and paste our objective function first. I will paste it here. I will copy these 5 points and will paste them here. Okay, so erase this. Now Z1 will give 0 plus 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4 rupees profit. Z2 will give 0 rupee profit. Z4 will give 6 plus 2 comma 0, 6 rupees profit. Z5 will give 6 plus 2 comma 1, 8 rupees profit. And this will be Z2, this will be Z3, now Z1. This will give 4 by 3 plus 2 comma 10 by 3. This will be 24 by 3 and this will give 8 rupees profit. So now you can check we are obtaining 8 rupees profit on 2 points. Point number 5 and point number 1. Okay, so you can check along this line every point will give 8 rupees profit. So in this case we do not have a unique solution. So this type of problem is a multiple solution problem.